it is an absolute disagree that Mnangagwa is sending low-life thugs and drug dealers to threaten VP Nkosazana Chwenga, harassing the men who led the 2017 operation is an insult to the entire military. ATC Desperation is now a threat the national stability. Set up Namash Kubda Chungwa Panapa, President end 2030. Will subscribe or like on the bell icon. VP Nkosazana Chwenga is now entangled more issues a power on the ruling parties and PF. Pangwa ina solo kwa VP Nkosazana Chwenga, pangwa ina kutangira kuva kuma barracks. Pangwa ina mubla conscious president Masola Mnangagwa promoted his son, Sean, from major to lieutenant colonel on April 29, 2026, the 6th highest rank in the Zimbabwe National Army, while Sean simultaneously serves as his father's chief bodyguard. This is part of a broader pattern of family appointments. Another son, Dr. David Kudakwashe, was made Deputy Minister of Finance in 2024, and a nephew was appointed a Deputy Minister of Tourism around the same time. The promotion came shortly after the sidelining of VP Nkosazana Chwenga's wife from a strategic intelligence role, fueling suspicions that Mnangagwa is begging rival power centers or installing loyalists, particularly family members, in their place. Analysts say Sean is being groomed for eventual succession, with his dual role as both the president's son and head of security burning the lines between family loyalty and national duty, with the ZANU-PF already pushing to extend Mnangagwa's term to 2030. Critics warn Zimbabwe risks repeating the dynamics politics it once fought hard to escape. Toma developments and pangwa ina unawanzi VP Nkosazana Chwenga oya are entangled mu power crisis. Pena comment section medo za fungu enyi matudipa mzebe chitko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.